Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to the We Make Coder channel. I am your friend Rajkumar Mandal, and in this video we will solve question number 5 of positive thinking series. So basically question number 5 says that you have to declare a boolean variable which contains true or false value according to the number which user give. So if number is greater than 100, then boolean variable contains true. If number is less than 100, then boolean variable contains false. And in the last step, we need to print final result. So let me open your VS Code first. Here you can see I have written boiler code of your Java and I have imported a scanner class. Basically we know that we cannot take input from the user without import this class. So in the first step we will create two variables, one integer type variable and second boolean type variable. So integer type variable contains user input and boolean type variable contains result, number is greater than or not. So let me create first. Here you can see int value and second boolean is greater So next step to take input from the user and assign to this variable value. So let me create a scanner class object first. So a scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and right here value is equal to sc dot next int. By helping this line, we will take input from the user and assign to this variable value. So our third step to compare the variable value and assign to this is greater variable. So now I have this variable value. So we will use if or else block to compare input. So if and else. So in this block we will write a condition. So we have a variable value and we need to compare with 100. So here we will write value greater than 100. In this line we will saying if variable value is greater than 100, then assign is greater is equal to true. If is variable value is less than 100, then assign is greater is equal to false. And our final step to print this variable value. So right here system dot out dot println number is greater than or not, and we will print your boolean is greater. So here you can see I have created two boolean variable. In this variable we will store input from the user and this boolean variable we will store the result. Here you can see I have created a scanner class object which helps to take input from the user, and here I have taken input from the user and assigned to this variable value, and in this line I am comparing variable value with 100. If variable value is 100, then assign true value to is greater, otherwise assign false value to is greater. And now here I have been printed this result. So now I will run this code. So here you can see your keyboard is active. So we will give input. Here you can see number is greater than or not, false. It means 56 is not greater than 100. So again we will run this code, and at this time I will give 150. Here you can see your final answer is true. It means it's working fine. So if this video is useful for you, you can subscribe my channel. So thank you for have a good day.